How does Capel's high-precision drilling technology for flexible circuit boards ensure that our products meet the high-quality standards of each customer and industry? Advanced drilling equipment. Using the latest CNC drilling equipment and technology to ensure high precision and consistency. Precision drill bit selection. Choose high-precision drill bits with materials and diameters that meet different requirements to meet the requirements of different industries. Precise hole position control. Through precise hole position control technology, ensure that the position and spacing of each hole meet customer requirements. Mature craftsmanship. Adopting mature craftsmanship and strict quality control standards to ensure that each drilled hole meets high standards. Fine processing parameter control. Control processing parameters such as speed, feed rate, and cutting fluid to minimize drilling errors and workpiece damage. Perfect quality management system. Establish a perfect quality management system to ensure the quality of the entire production process is controllable. Reliable automatic positioning system. Use automatic positioning system to ensure hole position accuracy. Quality inspection and verification. Conduct multiple quality inspections and verifications to ensure that the drilling size and position accuracy meet engineering requirements. Continuous improvement and innovation. Continuously introduce new technologies and new processes to improve drilling quality and accuracy. Customer customization needs. According to the customization needs of different customers, we provide personalized high-precision drilling solutions to meet the high standard quality requirements of various industries.